You need to self-certify your CUI compliance program and eventually achieve your Level 1 through 5 Cyber Maturity Model certification. But you don't have a fortune to hire a team of technical experts and writers, so why not do it yourself? Hiring a team of consultants to help you achieve compliance can be a difficult and expensive process without any real guarantee that your program will pass an audit in the end. In addition, as CUI and CMMC extend to your vendors and other third-party providers, tracking compliance across your supply chain can be really challenging. However, with the right tools and instruction, you can easily develop and manage an effective CUI or CMMC program all by yourself without breaking the bank. That's what we've built, a perfect tool to help you achieve CUI and CMMC compliance in hours, not months. The intelligent software is beginner-friendly, so you don't have to be a superstar security expert to use it or perform the security assessment. You can effortlessly address all of the requirements by using more than 1,000 preloaded elements in our Knowledge Center. There's no need to create anything from scratch. Simply watch expert videos and answer guided questions, downloading customizable forms, narratives, policies, strategies, templates, and much more to help address any gaps along the way. Plus, every question is fully assignable, so you are free to task knowledge holders throughout your organization and monitor their progress from start to finish under a single common dashboard. Best of all, with our Intelligent Reports Wizard, updating, managing, and publishing your SSP and POAM is as simple as hitting print. Throughout this journey, a dedicated account expert will be standing by to answer questions and provide feedback to help ensure you're compliance ready. All great companies are using intelligent software to manage their CUI and CMMC programs today. Are you ready to harness that power? Visit the official CUI.express website and learn more.